On November 1st, the Lowell varsity football team faced off against the Washington Eagles in the annual Battle of the Birds. The Cardinals were able to take possession of the ball and score 2 touchdowns, bringing the score up 12-0 by halftime. When the Cardinals did not have the ball, they used their adaptive style to defend their side of the field. Shown here is Cardinal quarterback Antonio Hughes intercepting a pass. The game was a key one for the Cardinals to win, but after halftime, the Eagles managed to come out on top and won the game 27-18.